Bumili ako ng steel to. Parang tingin ko, ayos lang din naman, no? Kasi laki lang nung siguro gawa ng skinny lang dito, kaya kung nalalakihan ako. Pero ayos din, no? Parang yung unang bili ko lang din. Yung pang iron worker. Pero ano lang to, size 7 lang. Yung iron worker ko, size 8. Pero kasi laki lang. Ito kasi parang medyo mas round. Tapos yung iron worker, parang ano siya, patules. Mas patules. Ito yun. Tapos yung pinapartner ko pa sa maluwag na pantalon pagka nagwo-work ako. Parang tactical na sapatos.
I thought it was the biggest tank back then. It was 6x2x2.
Ito kasi black. Gusto ko black, bagong pang sapatos. Sa ano naman to? Asset to, gagawa ng pera to eh. Medyo pricey nga lang. Pero matibay ito. Matibay na to sigurado.
The thing is with Oscars as well, they are such an abuse because you can literally pick up a Tiger Oscar for like 12 quid, 10 to 12 quid in some shops. Some shops I've actually seen them.
Laki lang siya, oh. Malaki pa nga itong ano ko eh. Ito oh. Itong sapatos. Itong parang mukha lang siyang malaki kasi gawa ng parang lobo dito. Kasi nga yung ano, yung steel sa toe. Ayos naman eh.
Yeah, make sure you look after it properly. Now these fish can live up to 10 to 20 years, depending on how well you're looking after them. So you
ito siya na. Para tactical lang.
So they can live longer. So you need to think about tank filtration.
Pero kung mas maliit-liit,
all sorts of bits, you know.
Pag lumayo,
Oscars need big water changes. I don't care what anyone says, they need big water changes. I do a 50% water change on all of my tanks every week.
Iminodel din. Hindi kasi ako mapakalay kung medyo maliit sana ng konti. Pero the best na to. Masarap sa paa. Komportable.
On my big tank outside, outside, I mean in my lounge.
Gusto ko lang video para remembrance.
So this tank gets 50% once a week. So this tank has got a huge tank which has got massive filtration on here.
Laki lang naman siya.
I changed this filter
kasing haba.
2 weeks. It looks like it needs doing right now. It's absolutely filthy. So yeah, this tank is massively overfilled. So we actually fine for this Oscar. Obviously there are even fish in the Oscar there, but we are talking about the Oscar tonight. So let's talk about food. So like I said earlier, Oscars are not fussy at all. They all eat absolutely anything. Pellets, they love pellets. I'm actually going to chuck some pellets in now so you can see.
Yun lang, para remembrance. Kasi yung last time, yung iron worker ko. Yun yung pinakamahal kong sapatos ay na steel toe. Kasi ano, before, ang mga binibili ko na steel toe halagang 100, 120. Ito yung iron worker isa medyo pricey. Tapos itong pricey. Parang mag-i-invest ka na lang din naman eh, no? Asset naman, kikita naman ng pera yan. Siyempre gamit mo yung araw-araw sa trabaho, di ba?
Try and swallow as much as you can and then spit a load of them out. But obviously you'll get fish, we'll clear it out.
Yun lang. Gusto ko lang video.
Any sort of pellet in there. But obviously you do want to feed them a good pellet. You don't want a cheap, nasty pellet which has got loads of... You are keeping them with cichlids like Jaguar cichlids, Jack Dempsey's, things like that. They can be super aggressive to each other. And they actually hurt each other. So you've got to be really careful. They can be quite aggressive fish. But this size right now is absolutely fine. It's not going to be aggressive with the arrow wires because they're a different shape. I've found they can be aggressive to each other because they're all very similar shapes. And obviously they're going to be aggressive to other sort of cichlids. So that's another thing to keep a close eye on. Tank size will help you with that. And so keep them well fed. And sort of other dithering fish will help them out, like these geos. I know they're not sort of dithering fish. It will take his mind of say
Ano lang to, remembrance ko sa Pinas. Ito medyas na to. Gusto mo, ang bilis bumaho.
it will take his mind.
Dalawa to yung blue.
They are very
Parang ang nipis niya, tapos mamamawis yung singit-singit ng daliri mo sa paa. Ang bilis niyang pagpawisan, parang hindi maganda yung tela, iba talaga eh. Pero ano lang naman to sa palengke sa Pinas. Ayos din, hindi naman nila malalaman no? Ayan, alam na nila. Akala mo Nike talagang tunay eh, no? Ayos na to, no? Wala, nabili na eh. Laki pa sa mukha ko eh. Sinukat ko naman, okay naman. Maganda siya, waterproof. Beheng, pang matagalan na kaya to, malaan. Pagka ito'y okay. Ito na kasi yung pinakamaliit. Ito yung isa eh. Ito ko sa inyo.
But the temperature went down from like 26, 27 to like 15 within like a course of a few minutes. Obviously shot the fish, my bad, but they survived, so they are pretty hardy fish. But frozen food, Matt's talked about frozen food as well. I feed them very similar foods to the Arowanas because they're in the same place, so they get muscles.
Magkasinlaki lang siya. Tapos ito ay, na to ha, yung parang nag-ano na siya, nag-ganon na.
Really meaty stuff, they absolutely love it. They're not fussy like I said earlier, but they do need
malaki pa nga to eh. Malaki pa to. Size 8 kasi to. Size 8. Ito ay size 7 lang. Ayan na ito. USA size 7 ito ay. Size 8. Size 8 lang, walang USA or UK. Pwede na yan. O naman pagsusuot eh. No.
Because they are really easy to get. And they are just such cool fish to keep. I absolutely love them. But yeah guys, thanks for watching the video as always. Like and subscribe to my channel. Ding that notification bell.